Do you have an oncology asset that you're ready to progress? Then a demonstrator project with Oncode Accelerator could be exactly what you need. We provide access to world-class expertise, state-of-the-art facilities and technologies, and hands-on project coordination. And we co-fund up to 1.5 million euros of your project costs. Drug developers from academia or industry can apply from anywhere in the world if your project meets our criteria. We co-fund preclinical oncology discovery and development projects that take a small molecule, biologic, cell and gene therapy, or therapeutic vaccine, which make up our work streams, to the next development stage. The project should also use one or more of our innovation platforms, well-defined patient cohorts, organoid models, and AI. Demonstrator projects are executed on our state-of-the-art research infrastructure in collaboration with our expert partners. So, how do you apply? The application process starts with contacting our business development team. At each step in the process, there are 3 possible outcomes. You either proceed to the next step, we ask follow-up questions, or we let you know that the project is not a fit. If your idea appears eligible, we'll guide you in crafting your intake form. An NDA can be put in place. After you submit your intake form, we assess it for strategic fit, as well as technical feasibility and approach to make sure your project can run on our infrastructure and with our expert partners. With a green light, you will co-develop a full project proposal with selected partners from one of our work streams and at least one of our platforms, who will run the project. This work will be supported by a dedicated project manager that we provide. Together, you'll draft a detailed project plan and budget with a multi-party NDA in place to ensure confidentiality. The final proposal goes to the Demonstrator Advisory Board, which provides independent advice to approve, refine, or decline the project. After approval by the Oncode Accelerator Foundation, you and the executing partners finalize and sign the Demonstrator Project agreement. Now, your project can start. So, are you ready to move your oncology asset forward? Apply for a Demonstrator Project, and let's progress your asset towards its next value inflection point together. Start by contacting our business development team now.